Hi there, I'm Miss Byrd, and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi kids! Together we do letters and sounds, attaining academic success while having fun. Oh yeah. You can join us from A to Z, or you can just hop right in. We are perfect for you kindergarten and first graders. Oh yeah. Today, how about your worksheets for the letter W? You can get your worksheets at our website, homeschoolbyrd.com. That's Byrd with a Y. And be sure and put down a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And ring the bell. And there, let's go. We always like to start with a song like Ziminy. Oh, very fun song. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Ziminy, Z, yeah, Ziminy, Z. Come on, kids. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Oh, yay. Plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy, Z, yeah, Ziminy, Z. Oh, yay. Oh, that was fun. I always have fun with that song, huh? Hi, kids. Oh, and Freddie loves kids. But you know what? He is also a kid learning how to read and how to write just like you. And he's also my helper. I know Freddie, he's such a hard worker. Hard-working little frog. Yeah. Today's letter sheet looks like this, but you also can recognize it by the pictures. And there's a whale. And there's water. It looks like some water. Oh, and Freddie's he's going all the way. Oh, that looks like a wagon wheel. Yeah. Okay, I'll hold it, Freddie. Okay. Shimmying down. This is good. Oh, he wants to start right away with his favorite color, green. Yeah, good. So, kids, this is our letter lines. This is a green grass bottom line. This is a red dot middle line. And this is a blue sky top line. But we always start with Freddie's favorite color. He's a frog. He loves green. Green! Yeah. So go ahead on the count of 3. Hold up your green crayons. 1, 2, 3. Green crayon up. Good. And go ahead and point to the green arrow, just like Freddie is right here. And go ahead and draw the green grass bottom line all the way across. Trace it to the other green arrow. Good. Lift. Nice. And Freddie, what's next? Good. That's it. There's the red arrow. On the count of 3, hold up your red crayon. 1, 2, 3. Red crayon up. Good. And start at the red arrow right here. But this is a dotted line. It's harder, but it's fun. Go ahead and do a red dotted line. Trace that red dotted line all the way across. It takes a little longer. All the way across to that red arrow. Lift. You got it. You just did the red dot middle line. And go ahead, Freddie. That's it. He's pointing to the blue arrow. On the count of 3, kids, lift up your blue crayon. 1, 2, 3. Blue crayon up. Good. And start at the blue arrow right here and trace that blue sky top line all the way across. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep tracing it with the blue crayon. Oh, you did it! Good job! That's good. This is great. We have the green grass bottom line, the red dot middle line, and the blue sky top line. Next, we want to make the letter house. So let's take out our finger and do it just for fun with a finger. At the little itty bitty baby house right here. And go ahead and draw that line straight up, the side wall of the house, and then the roof past the chimney to the top, and the other side of the roof, and straight down the wall to the green grass bottom line. Now we're going to go into the basement. It's underground. Basement. Go straight down to the bottom of the basement, all the way across, and back up to the teeny tiny baby little house. Yeah. Good. Now let's do it with a crayon. On the count of 3, brown crayon up. 1, 2, 3. Brown crayon up. Good. Start at the little itty teeny baby house right here. Good. Okay. And I know Freddie wants to do it too. Go straight up. But he's working, helping. And then the roof, go make that slanted line, trace it. And then make the other side of the roof, trace it. Now you're on the wall, straight down. Now let's go into the basement. Straight down the bottom of the basement and straight up again. Whoop, I was a little off there. Straight up. There you go, kids. You just made the letter house. And I always like to add a little green grass. Oh, that's good. To my letter house. So right here, there's some grass. I'm going to add some more grass with my green crayon. Ah, good. And over here too. Very nice. And I think we're ready to go. Oh, Freddie! He wants to show you the letter house that he's been working on. Ready? Go ahead, Freddie. So this is a letter house without the letters, but you could see the house part of it. So you could see this is the, oh yeah, I've got it. Downstairs, there's a table and the cooking area, and here's some stairs going all the way to upstairs. This is the upstairs line. Got a couple of bedrooms. But if I take the stairs down, we're back now to downstairs. This is the downstairs line. And this is, what's down here, Freddie? Oh yeah, down these little stairs. And this is a basement. And you can see there's a bike being stored there and some boxes and some workout equipment. So this is a basement. And this is downstairs in your letter house. And this will be the upstairs. Yeah. So let's have fun with this. Kids, Freddie, if I say it, you point to it. Okay, ready? Downstairs. That's it. That's downstairs line. And now point to upstairs. That's it. This is the upstairs. And point to the downstairs. That's it, kids. That's it. Good. And Freddie, you do it with the kids. Okay. And now, kids, the basement. That's it. Uh-huh. Good job. So let's, Freddie, can we move back to the letter W? Ah, okay. Thanks, Freddie. He liked showing that off, didn't he? I know he's a hard-working frog, isn't he? Yeah. He's little like you kids. He's learning how to write the letters and how to sound them. Uh-huh. And how to make the letter house. Yeah. So let's go ahead, Freddie and kids. Can you find, now this is the uppercase big letter W, can you find X marks the spot? Yeah. Do it with Freddie, kids. He's got it. That's X marks the spot to start off our W, uppercase big letter W. Ready? On the count of 3, hold up a yellow sunshine color. 1, 2, 3, yellow crayon up. It's good. Start here at X marks the spot. Oh, Freddie, he wants to point to it. Okay, good. X marks the spot. And it's going to be a slant line down. Don't lift your crayon all the way to the green line. Another slant line. Wow, this is hard. Going to the blue line. And another slant line. Wow, a lot of work. And another slant to the blue line. Woohoo! Kids, we just made an uppercase big letter W. Whoa. I just said the sound of W. The name of this letter is uppercase big letter W. Is W. But the sound of W is whoa. 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 That's it. You got it. The name of the letter is W. The sound of the letter is whoa. Yeah. Okay, we got it. Let's keep going. Okay, next is, on the count of 3, orange up. 1, 2, 3, orange up. There you go. And start at the X marks the spot that we found out with you and Freddie. And go at a slant line down, slant line up, slant line down, and slant line up to green, the blue sky line again. Wow, we're doing it, kids. And this is green. Ah, it's good. Yeah, it's favorite color, green. It's frog. Start here at your X, straight, slanted line down, slanted straight line back up, another slanted straight line down. I know it's a lot of work. And another straight slant line up. A lot of work, kids. This is a tough one, but it looks so good. Yeah. Now this is your big letter, uppercase W. What? But this is your lowercase little letter W. What? This is it over here. So kids, can you and Freddie find the X marks the spot? I got it. There it is. Freddie, can the kids see it? Yeah, I don't know. He pointed the kids. Go ahead and point to your, whoops, X marks the spot right there. Good. And kids, on the count of 3, hold up your yellow. 1, 2, 3, sunshine up. Good. Start at that X marks the spot you found for your lowercase little letter W. Straight line, straight slant line down. Straight slant line to the red dot line. Straight slant line down. Straight slant line to the red dot line again. Kids, you just made a lowercase little letter W. Whoa. Yep. And next, hold up your orange crayon. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Good. And start at X marks the spot. Slant line down, slant line up, slant line down, slant line up. So nice. You're doing it. Trace that line, and you are making a lowercase little letter W. Whoa. Yeah. That's his favorite color. Yeah. Good. So on the count of 3, green up. 1, 2, 3, green crayon up. Good. Start back here at that X marks the spot. Straight line down, straight line up, slant line down, slanted line up. Kids, you made it. You're doing lowercase little letter W. Whoa. It's good. This is so nice. Look at this. So, kids, is this big letter uppercase W upstairs? Yeah. Kids and Freddie, is it downstairs? Yeah. Okay, kids, and point to the basement. Is the W in the basement? No. Good. Let's go to the little letter W. What? Is it upstairs? No. Good. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Is it in the basement? No. You're right. It's not. It's only downstairs for the little letter, lowercase W. But the big letter, uppercase W, is upstairs and downstairs. Yeah. Oh, we've got some pictures, Freddie. Go ahead and point them out. Okay. Ooh, that's a picture of a whale. Whale starts with W, sound. Ready? W, whale. That's it. It starts with a W, whale. There you go. Oh, good. Ooh, there's water. We love playing in water, especially Freddie. Yeah, he's a great swimmer. Yeah. W, water. Good. Oh, that's an old-fashioned wagon wheel. W, wheel. Oh, that's what he likes, water. W, water. That's good. W, water. Yeah, good. Freddie, go to the whale. Okay. W, whale. Yeah, it's good. Oh, kids, this is very nice. Now, on the count of 3, hold it up. I want to see your W. 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Freddie likes to see you and say hi and look at your work. Oh, it's good. Good. Oh, good. Hi, kids. Okay, Freddie. He loves kids. Okay. Hi, kids. And so, Freddie, we get to do our letters. And this time we get to do the letters and the names of the letters and the sounds, both the letter name and the sound name. Ready? Okay, you ready? Okay, let's go. Ready? A, 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 A. B, 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 B. C, K, C, K. D, 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 D. Oh, here's the hard one. E, 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 E. You're doing great, Freddie. F, 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 F. Say it with it, Freddie, kids. G, 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 G. H, 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 H. Doing great, kids. Oh, this is a hard one. I, I, I. These did great. J, 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 J. Say it with Freddie, kids. K, 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 K. L, L, L. Oh, that's good. That's good. He's working on it. M, M, N, N, N. O, ah. You make a circle with your mouth. Ah, as in a circle. Oh, ah. That's good. P, 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 p. Q, qu, q, qu. R, 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 gr. S, 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 s. T, 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 t. U, U, That's it. V, 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 v. W, w. That's the one we just did today. W, w. W, w. Oh, do it again. W, w. W, w. Good job. One more time. W, w. W, w. Oh my goodness, you're doing so good, kids. Freddie, oh, he's doing great. And we always like to finish up with a song. And our favorite, of course, is Ziminy. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. So nice seeing you, a marvelous day. Oh, yay. See you next time we get to play all the day. Ziminy Z.